Hey guys, it's Donald here and Mariko. Today we're going to show you how to use Medellino stick and make a structure for your unique design. Coming up! Okay my friend, what you going to show us today with your Medellino trick?
Well, Medellino is one of the materials that is so fun. It's a lot of fun just to work with. So yes, today I'm gonna show you how to do something creative for your the most amazing designs or the most simple designs, and they will be awesome. They're very fun.
Oh, this is awesome. You see the movement of this structure?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's very simple. It's looks like a musical, very musical because it has a lot of movement. So yes, I'm gonna play with. So. Okay, the technique is very easy. You just need like 6 or 8 or 10, depending on how many Medellino stick that you want to use in this. And you're gonna start working as the same thing that you worked with the wire. So at that point, it's you need a flat super table just to work with this. And when I when I cross the two groups of Medellino sticks, so I used the U-glue sticks here, so just to hold the entire design, and I press well just to have everything inside on side. So at that point, it's something like we can do different movements in the design, the credit design. From here, you're gonna start playing in different ways. There's no instruction to do that. This because it's depend on what you want to create this time for you.
So basically you just crisscrossing some of the binding point using U-glue to glue it onto holding it in place, is it?
That's correct. That's correct. I use just the glue, the U-glue dots on the top of your group of the Medelinos, and again you can go this in a group like that, or you can go individually and give in separate a little more the design. So at that point you're gonna give more beauty to what you're creating. So it will be easier. So and there is no, as I tell you, there is no instruction because you can do whatever you want to do. So you can go in the top or you can back to the back. So depending on what you want to create, you can work with the Medellino. That's the good thing from this material.
Hey my friend, right now we have a really beautiful structure we create with your technique. How I'm gonna use it with my unique design.
Okay, in your design, so you can make something very flat, or you can curve and create like an arch into your design. Whatever you the good thing is very flexible, and they allow you just to work with. For example, I have here centerpiece, rounding on the centerpiece. But if I can add these sticks into the phone on my centerpiece, they will be different. The shape will be totally different, and I can do something more modern. And voila.
That's good. You add a lot of movement in like a really traditional arrangement into this modern look.
Correct.
I love because it looks like a musical notes and have a lot of movement into this
Exactly.
roundy arrangement.
Exactly.
Lovely. Thank you so much for helping
You're
me
welcome.
today. And
Pleasure.
guys, if you like this video, and make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friend and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Medellino stick and make a unique design for your. Sorry. How do you make a unique structure for your
Unique design.
Okay. I'm tired.